Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're actually going to make this player interactive, and we're going to use the arrow keys to move our player around. So we're going to go over to the events button right here. Over here in the toolbox, it's yellow, and you're going to drag out when space key pressed. We're going to drag out 4 of these. We're not going to use the space key. I'm going to show you how to change that. And then you're going to click on the drop-down menu, and you're going to select up arrow, down arrow, right arrow, and left arrow. Okay, and then the workspace right here is divided into the X and Y axis. So if I go over here, I'm just going to show you what that means. This is the XY grid. So you can see this is divided into the X and Y axis. So just like in math class, Y increases by positive numbers going up and down from the origin, negative numbers in the y-axis below the origin, and then to the right is positive x values, and to the left are negative x values. Okay, so in your code, we're actually going to bring that back. In your code for year 1, you're just going to drag out a motion block. So you're going to look for the blue toolbox. And toward the bottom, you might need to scroll down just a little bit. We're going to, when we click the up arrow, we're going to change Y by positive 10. And when we click the down arrow, we're going to actually change Y by negative 10. So type in a negative 10 there. And then similarly for the right and left arrows, we're going to change X by positive 10. When the right arrow is pressed, change X by negative 10. And we're going to click Save Now. And then we're also going to make sure that our player 1 is always going to start in that same location when we click the green flag. So drag out a when green flag clicked event and under motion, a go to. So whenever you change the location of this player, those X and Y coordinates will change. You just drag him to wherever you want his start location to be. So if you want your start location to be up there, you would drag, right? You would put him there and then drag out this go to. But I want my player to start here. So I'm going to drag out the go to negative X equals negative 223 and Y equals negative 41 and click Save Now. Okay, so you can see how I don't have to memorize or guess what those numbers should be. I have to drag my player to that location and it will tell me. So if I drag my player over here and I've got that piece of code here, when I click the green flag, it should go back to that place. Okay, that is step 2, creating interactivity in the player and doing start location. You just click Save Now, and you're done with this part of the video.